But Seedu, looking handsome today. Sit.
My creative warriors. Welcome. Sit. Ajay, come. Sit. So, long weekend. Well rested. All okay at home?
My uncle from my mother's side is sick.
I don't care, Ashwin.
But only said.
I was being sarcastic, but clearly I have failed. The only thing I care about right now are the ideas you were supposed to present to me this morning. But for some unforeseen reason, you have not been forthcoming, and hence I've had to summon you. Where are the ideas? You.
I already mailed my ideas.
You mailed me some references, yes, but where are the ideas, Ashwin?
Those were the ideas.
Ashwin, you sent me links to old ads on Ads of the World.
Correct.
Where are the ideas?
Those were the ideas.
Those are somebody else's ideas that they've already used for something else. Where are your ideas?
But you only said advertising is about juxtaposing existing elements and
Fuckface. You can't juxtapose somebody else's ideas and call them your own. You have to juxtapose your thoughts and make them into ideas. Otherwise, it's plagiarism, not creativity.
but see, the plagiarism is if they know.
Didn't I sack you?
Yeah, but you forgot to tell the HR.
Remind me.
Okay.
Fucking. You. What's your story?
I have this amazing idea.
Oh.
I even scribbled it down so I don't forget. But Setu, I lost the book.
Go to Amazon.com and order 250 grams of shame. Hey, what are you laughing about? You have ideas?
Yes, of course.
I was worried about that. Do they have aliens or monkeys?
No.
Then vomit it.
Yeah. So, there is this guy. He's with his family at an amusement park. Now, his kids want to get onto the roller coaster ride. So, he helps them get onto the ride and accidentally he also gets stuck. Suddenly, the ride starts off. He's too scared of such rides. He starts screaming like mad. While all the others are enjoying the ride, this guy is thinking he's going to die for sure. He's imagining his funeral, his kids and wife are crying. At this point, he goes in his flashback, where he remembers the action insurance executive offering him a policy. But he arrogantly refused it. And now he's imagining his family's on the streets. The ride then comes to an end. He's already too scared. He immediately calls the Axion insurance executive and buys the policy. Cut to the product window, and then we have a cut back shot where he's actually wet his pants in fear. So he covers his crotch and he walks away.
Truth. We're not selling chips. We're selling insurance. I mean, it's not like you can't do humor, but it has to be done with a lot more sensibility and it's got to be a lot more sensitive. You can't just show a guy dying, funeral, his wife and kids are on the street. And that lasts for touch. No, it's funny, okay? But you fucking cannot do such thing in an insurance ad. What are your other ideas? What?
But it has aliens.
Divyang? Hello? What happened, miss? Why are you hiding? Where is your idea?
I have something, but I'm scared to share it.
Why? It is a national secret or what?
No, you will make fun of it. You will spit on it.
I will try not to waste my saliva. You please just share it.
Okay, the film starts in the maternity ward of a hospital where we see this man pacing up and down. Suddenly, we hear this baby crying, and a nurse walks out of the ward and hands him the baby. It is his son. So he remembers how his father took care of him and also promises to take care of his son. And cut to short of Axion Insurance where we see his wife and kids playing happily in the background. At the end.
There,
I knew it. See, it's shit.
there is something there.
There is.
Don't be too excited. It's still half baked. But there is, I think, maybe an insight in what you're trying to communicate. But you have to add more layers, create more depth. You have to make the narrative more compelling. You have to make the script more powerful to the viewer. You know what I'm saying? You got to add more elements. It's a plain Jane entity right now. You get what I'm saying, right?
Something I will try.
Otherwise, I will cry. So, Ravi, anything for us?
I was thinking,
That's a start.
instead of a film, what if we give free life insurance to those who can't afford it? Like people who clean sewage. Manual scavenging. Can you believe that still happens in this country? Or people who assist doctors who work with incurable diseases.
That's a noble gesture, Ravi, but who's going to be paying for all this?
CSR, yeah?
Ravi, I don't want to hear the alphabet C, followed by the alphabet S, followed by the alphabet R coming out of your mouth ever again. This is not a CSR campaign. It's a film campaign.
What, yeah? It will cost a lot less than a film.
Okay. Now, imagine you went in for an eye operation, but when you came out, you realized you'd got a piles operation. Would you be happy? The client is coming to hear scripts. Do you have a script?
Not yet.
And when do you think you will have a script? After we've all lost our jobs for being incompetent shits? Okay, guys, I'll tell you what. Just tell me this much, okay? Have I maybe done something to indicate that I could be a homosexual?
But I think he's being sarcastic.
So why then are you guys trying to fuck me in the ass?
That's homophobic.
Me not wanting a metaphorical dick up my bum is homophobic?
Yeah. How do you know you won't like it? I mean, it's not all that bad.
What are you doing here? I only called the writers.
Yeah, why art people can't write scripts or what?
You have a script?
No.
Then what the fuck are you doing here?
I'm here to learn.
The only thing you're learning is how not to come up with a good idea or script.
Yeah, so what's your idea?
The reason I have you all, the reason you've all been hired, is for that I don't have to come up with an idea. When I met you guys first, I thought you were all young and enthusiastic and hungry.
It's lunchtime. Morning, I had breakfast.
Get out. Get out. All of you, get out.
Setu, so you will WhatsApp the location to me when you get back home, right?
Yeah, I'll go back home and I will WhatsApp it to you.
Okay,
Yeah.
just wanted to ask. Okay.
Okay. Fuck.